Hello is done. Here it comes the main area. It's the admin area where you can manage all the activities, all the courses, all the vendors and their added activities, and here you can know how much earning you have made as a vendor. See, here are the boards. Here are the boards added by me as a vendor or by the other vendors. Like this one I added recently, RSCAT 16. These are the boards added from other vendors for sale on the website. Okay, this is quite unmanaged, but we can have it managed. Here you can monitor all the boards added by other vendors. Categories, as I mentioned, you can add many new categories. Like suppose I add test category. I can add image and I can suppose this is something new category I am adding, new boat, as we can say new boat. Okay, would be good to explain. And that boat provides service from 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and so on. You can add as many slots you want to add, and this will be applicable for all the vendors to select the timeline in between these mentioned tabs because you are the admin. So I'm going to add submit. I have to select the image also, so I'll make some random selection. Yeah, okay, this one, and I'll make a submit. This is how I can add as many category I want to, and these categories going to reflect over here while making a search. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to perform one more thing before adding a category. I have to go into the configuration area, and in the new activity section, like where it is, so select order to show categories. Any new category I add from that section will get listed in this drop down, and I just have to make the selection, so this will get start reflecting on this list. Until any new data get uploaded for the new boat, any boat until get added in the new boat section, it won't reflect in the drop down of front end. Once I add any new boat, it will get start reflecting, because with no data how we can reflect it over here, it won't look good with no data. Same goes with the services. I can add as many services I want to. Even I can add view the added services, like how many add services I added. Like this one I added few from following your website, and I added these services and just show you in the demo I gave you very fast. So this is how you can add new services as many you want to, and you can manage them accordingly. The same goes with the add-on activities. You can add as many activities you want to, like sailing, rolling, anything, and you can delete them, you can activate them, you can inactivate them. Working cities, this is the interesting part. Here you can mention the locations from where user going to have their ride started from. These are the location I added for you to test the system, but to add any new location, any city, you can add them. I mean, there's no foundation. We can add as many country we want to. Like if you want to extend this platform work in Dubai also, then we just have to mention a Dubai city here, and you can select the provision. All the provision will get listed according to Dubai, and you can select the cities. So this is how it's going to work. You can keep it active and keep it inactive also. Okay, ports. Here again you can add new ports, as many new ports you want to. We just added few dummy ports, but yes, of course there is no foundation. You can add as many ports you want to. There is no such foundation. Just have to simply drag and drop the point to create the port. You just have to name the port, select in which city it comes, and the port will be done. Manufacture, as I mentioned, you can add as many manufacturing company of the boat, like you have jet ski, you have standing paddle boats. So what are their companies, who are the manufacturer of those boats, can be completely added from here. And while adding boat, you can mention the manufacturing company. Baggage system is right now not working, but this is something which you can sell to the different vendors. Suppose I am a vendor, I came to you and I ask you that my listing, my company want to be on top of the search result page, then I have to pay you some money to have this baggage as a gold baggage, silver baggage, or bronze baggage. Okay, to have this baggage from you as a vendor, I have to pay you because this solutions belongs to you. And for gold baggage I have to pay some different amount, and for silver baggage some different amount, and some bronze baggage some different amount. And same it will reflect, like suppose I just added your boat. Okay, and if I go to RS selling boat, sharing, mail, fine. And suppose if you bought any baggage from me, like this is the silver baggage, this one. Same, there are many baggages like gold. If you bought any baggage from me, then your name will appear in the top of the list. So as a vendor, if I want my sales to be high, then I have to pay you certain amount to bought these baggages from you. And I have my listing on the top, and user whenever make a search, my listing will be on the top. Same goes to the Google search engine. Any listing comes on top will get reached by the user. So sales will be more like this is the gold baggage. So sales who are owning the baggages will be, you know, more to the person who will pay to you. Destination, as I mentioned, you can add as many destination you want to. Like right now it's showing error, but I'll have it fixed. See, there are small tweaks over there. I honestly speak, there are small tweaks, but it's not so big. Like we cannot work upon them, but yes, we can work upon them and we can have it done. Right now it's still in progress. I can add as many pages I want to add in the website. There is no foundation on that. I can add as many pages I want to. Okay, and these are some few added pages from my end. Bookings, this is the important bookings I can have. I mean, because this is a multi-vendor platform, so bookings coming in a day, in a month, or we can say the class booking, courses booking coming in a day or a month or a year, I can have it from here. Who paid from which uh, way, I can have it. I can know is it being paid or not. I can view details. I have to go in this button. Like here it comes, all the details. Who paid me, what time, and it belongs to which vendor. I can manage these things easily. And comes the testimonial part. You can manage testimonial by your own. Vendors, these are all my listed vendors who belongs to Kuwait but have their listing on my website. So these are all vendors who belongs to Kuwait and work on my, who have their listing on my website. Users, I can manage all the users who are registered on the platform. I can add them, delete them, anything I can do with them. Add, delete, manage, edit their details. I can do anything I want to for each and every user I am having. I can even reset their password. Somebody come to me with a request. So this is the complete admin. I hope you like it, and let me know what all thing we can upgrade it according to your need. This is the total overall baggage, shows how many orders cancelled, how many active booking are there in a day. Every day notification will be here. So let me know if anything we need to upgrade in the site. You are most welcome with your suggestions. We can update this code according to you. Thank you.